Now, how do we diagnose this? This is diagnosed on an OPD basis by a procedure called as proctoscopy, in which we do an internal examination and find out the grade and the severity of the piles. Very rarely we need to go inner side, that is we need to do a sigmoidoscopy or a colonoscopy, wherein we need to find out if there is any underlying cause which may be the cause of the piles outside. Very rarely a cancer also can cause piles. So that is why internal examination may be rarely required. Now, how do we treat this? The main treatment is the medical line of treatment, which is started in the initial setting. That is, patient is encouraged to have a lot of fiber in the diet, and patient is given laxatives so that the patient doesn't need to strain for passing motions. Secondly, the patient is given some medicines to strengthen the venous walls. That is given for a few days depending on the severity of the piles. Initial setting in the grade 1 variety, usually the patients respond very well and they settle down with medical line of treatment itself. It is only when the stage or the grade of the piles goes to grade 2 or grade 3, that is the time when we need to resort to surgery. Now, surgery is done in the form of either laser treatment or an open surgery or a stapler surgery. Now, all these surgeries are done in Terna Hospital. Open surgery nowadays is not usually recommended because of the associated pain it causes after the surgery. Second one is the stapler surgery, which is normally recommended because it causes very less pain. After the surgery, patient recovers very fast, patient can resume work very fast. There are no stitches involved, there is no cutting involved. The stapler does the stapling from the inside and the pile mass is removed circumferentially. Laser treatment is the one in which we use a laser fiber and ablate the piles from the inside so that they shrink on their own. So these are the three forms of treatment which we normally give. The other treatment is injection sclerotherapy and banding, which is not commonly done, but it can be done in isolated cases in which the patient is not fit for surgery and can be done as an OPD procedure.